Introducing the Aqua Air Wet Dry Central Vacuum. It's a built-in total cleaning centralized vacuum system that mops, scrubs, dusts, details, vacuums, and more. The Aqua Air is no ordinary vacuum. Not only can it thoroughly vacuum your home, it can also clean with hot water extraction. Imagine mopping floors with clean, clear, hot water from start to finish, leaving them dry to the touch moments after passing over them. It's ideal for expensive wood floors that can't tolerate standing water. It replaces sweeping and mopping into one fluid, easy experience. So if you want professional quality deep cleaned carpets without having to pay someone to do it, use your Aqua Air Wet Dry Total Cleaning System to perform a hot water extraction process that deep cleans with the same process recommended by major carpet manufacturers. It really takes just a few minutes to professionally take care of a spill. Cars and trucks can get the same quick attention to spills or a complete cleanup with garage hookups. Tile cleaning is easy with the Aqua Air Wet Dry. In contrast, a mop spreads the dirty water around and into your grout. Aqua Air removes the dirt forever and out of those grout lines. Pet accidents, dropped egg, messy kids, dirty car, accidents, dusty fan, toilet overflow, a flooded basement. A new age wet dry central vac, such as the industry-leading Aqua Air, has the tools, accessory and suction power to handle any job inside and outside of your home. Now, if you don't like using harsh chemicals, Aqua Air cleans with hot water and no chemicals. Aqua Air even helps eliminate dust and allergens, leaving the air in your home clean and sanitary. With the Aqua Air Wet Dry Total Cleaning System, all household dust and grime, wet or dry, is disposed of in a dust-free fashion. No one in the family will be exposed to the contaminants removed from your home. And because there is no further contact with the dust, there is no chance of pollutants re-entering the household. How does the Aqua Air accomplish its dust-free disposal? By wet cyclonic filtration. The vacuumed debris, wet or dry, is combined with a stream of water in cyclonic slurry that sends soil and contaminants down the drain and exhaust vapors outdoors. The result? 100% dust elimination. A disposable debris screen catches large debris you don't want sent down the drain, like rings, socks, and toys. This system is plumbed similar to standard central vacuums. Each suction port will have a P-trap shaped in the tubing, which prevents any moisture from coming out of the ports. Next to the suction port is a water port plumbed with standard PEX, just like a bathroom sink, toilet, and shower. If you already have an existing home or facility and don't want to have to do any remodeling, but still want the benefits of using the Aqua Air Wet Dry, no problem. We have a brand new portable system that can satisfy your cleaning needs. You will save time and space using the Aqua Air by replacing your portable vacuum, mops, carpet extractors, and other cleaning equipment. So if you really care about the quality of your indoor environment, the Aqua Air Wet Dry Total Cleaning System is one of the leaders of today's new generation of central vacuum systems. It offers the right technology at the right time for the active household and businesses.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. For a free quote, contact us today. Aqua Air Wet Dry, the total cleaning system.